to the Pakistani people's desire for democracy. And so we are very glad to be able to partner with the people of Pakistan and the Pakistani government on a whole range of issues that are of common interest and common concern to us. Afghanistan transitions as the United States and other coalition forces end their combat role next year, and Afghanistan is fully responsible for its own security. And I pledge to fully brief the Prime Minister and his government as we make progress in not only Afghan elections, but also a long-term strategy for stability in the region. And the Prime Minister and I both agree that it is in America and Pakistan's interests for Afghanistan to be stable and secure, its sovereignty respected. The Prime Minister has had very good meetings with President Karzai, and I know that President Karzai very much appreciated many of the gestures that Prime Minister Sharif has made, and I'm confident that working together we can achieve a goal that is good for Afghanistan, but also helps to protect Pakistan over the long term. And we had an opportunity to discuss India, and the Prime Minister had the opportunity to meet with. I very much appreciate all the work that Prime Minister Sharif has already done. He has great challenges ahead of him, but he is somebody who I think understands where Pakistan needs to go, and we want to be fully supportive of continued success and continued democracy inside of Pakistan.
Thank you for your support to democracy and good wishes for the people of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, I've just had a most cordial and comprehensive exchange of views with President Obama on matters of bilateral interest and issues of regional concern. I have conveyed to the President the warm and cordial greetings of the people of Pakistan for the friendly people of the United States of America. Over the past 65 years, our two nations have traveled together as friends and allies in defense of freedom and the pursuit of international peace and security. Besides shared history, our two countries are bound by a common commitment.
Will you allow the American government to have CIA here in Pakistan to conduct cross-border counter-terrorism missions against Al-Qaeda, ISIS, or the Taliban?
Absolutely not. There's no way we're going to allow any bases, any sort of action from Pakistani territory into Afghanistan. Absolutely not.